Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the sound before. And that's because one letter R makes a sound and two letter R's make a sound. But today, we're going to be learning this sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Excellent. Now, let's have a look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the sound. Oh, yummy. I found a carrot. Can you hear the sound in the middle of carrot? Carrot. Carrot. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, what's this? I found a squirrel. Can you hear the sound in the middle of squirrel? Squirrel. Squirrel. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a parrot. Can you hear the sound in the middle of parrot? Parrot. Parrot. Excellent. So, parrot, squirrel and carrot all use the sound. Now, we're going to have a go at writing the sound. To write the sound, we need to write two letter R's. And to do that, we start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Then we do it again, start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those fingers ready. Give them a big wiggle and a shake. Give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing. You can use one hand as a magic piece of paper and your other hand as your magic finger to write on. Are we ready? Magic fingers and start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Then again, start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. And again, start at the top, all the way down, back up and over. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is correct. My turn first. K, o, e, k, t. Correct. Your turn. Correct. My turn again. K, o, e, k, t. Correct. Your turn. Correct. Well done. Our next word today is squirrel. My turn first. S, qua, I, e, l. Squirrel. Your turn. Squirrel. My turn again. S, qua, I, e, l. Squirrel. Your turn. Squirrel. And our last word today is arrest. My turn first. A, e, s, t. Arrest. Your turn. Arrest. My turn again. R-E-S-T. Arrest. Your turn. Arrest. Well done. You've worked really hard today and should be feeling extra proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.